Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn chapter 1 set is detailed solution for exercise 1.1. In this video we will cover well-defined collection, roster form, set builder form. We will learn it step by step with a detailed explanation. The concept of set was developed by the George Cantor in 1845 and 1980. He invented this while working on the trigonometric series. So what is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. And what does mean by the well-defined? Well-defined means anyone in the world will give the exact same answer. It cannot be the based on personal opinion. That means wherever you go in the world, the answer will remain exactly the same. It doesn't depend on person to person opinion. So if the collection of the object is well defined, then we will call it as a set, and if the collection of the object is depends on personal opinion, then we will not call it as a set. Objects, elements, and the members means the same thing. They are synonymous. Sets are denoted by capital letter A, B, C, and elements are denoted by small letter small a, small b, small c. Let's see an example. A is a set of natural numbers less than 6. Natural numbers means the numbers which start from 1 and goes to infinity. But here we want a natural numbers less than 6. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will use this definition. The sets are denoted by capital letters, capital A, capital B or capital C. So we write it as capital A is equal to curly brace means set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 close curly brace. So A is the name of the set and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called as elements or objects or members of the set A. The concept of set will get clear once we solve these problems. Question 1. Which of the following are sets? Justify. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Months of the years are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. The condition is that it must be start with the J. So the January, June and July. So anywhere in the world you go, you will get exactly the same answer. So it is a well defined. Therefore it is a set. It doesn't depend on the opinion of the person. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Condition is that most talented writers. Most talented varies from person to person. It is an opinion. Therefore, it is not a well-defined collection. Therefore, it is not a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. The word best is highly subjective. That means it varies from person to person. My list of best batsmen will differ from your list. Maybe my list contains Brian Lara, Sachin Tendulkar, Rohit Sharma, but your list may be different. It may contain Virat Kohli, Dhoni, etc. So it depends on personal opinion. Therefore, it is not a well-defined collection. Therefore, it is not a set. Trick is that look for adjective like best, most talented, or renowned. They usually means it is not a set because it varies from person to person. Fourth question, the collection of all boys in your class. We can easily count and verify who is a boy in a specific class. We can definitely decide if a student belongs to this collection. Therefore, it is a well defined. Therefore, it is a set. Next question. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Natural numbers means the numbers which start from 1 and goes to infinity. These three dots are means the infinity. But the question asks the natural numbers less than 100. So this is purely mathematical definitive collection. It includes the numbers from 1 to 99 because less than 100, so 99. Everyone in the world will write down the exact the same numbers. So there is no difference of opinion. Therefore, it is a set. A collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Novels author by the Munshi Premchand is the criteria. So it is a historical record. The books written by the other authors, we will not include it into that set. Therefore, there is no matter of opinion here. Therefore, it is a set. The collection of all even integers. An integer is even if it is perfectly divisible by 2. This is a strict, unchanging mathematical condition. Anywhere in the world you go, these rules will remain unchanged. So everyone will write the even integer from minus infinity. These three dots means minus infinity, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4 to plus infinity. So it doesn't depend on personal opinion. Therefore, it is a set. The collection of questions in this chapter criteria is that questions located in this specific textbook chapter. You can physically count and list every single question printed in this chapter. It is a fixed and absolute. For example, if you count and list every single questions mentioned in the chapter 1 set, then it is a fixed and absolute. It doesn't vary from person to person. Therefore, it is a set. A collection of most dangerous animal of the world. Most dangerous animal is the criteria. The term dangerous is completely subjective. That means it depends on personal opinion. Therefore, it is not well defined. Someone may say the tiger is the most dangerous animal. The other one may include the lion. So, there is a difference of opinion. Therefore, it is not a set. Question 2. Let A is a set of curly brace means is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol epsilon. This is a Greek symbol. Pronounce it as epsilon or not epsilon. The slash on it, then it becomes the not epsilon in the blank spaces. If the element is present in the set, then Greek symbol epsilon is used to denote the phrase belongs to. that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are called as the elements of the set A, or called as the members of the sets A, or called as the objects of sets A. Look whether the 5 is present in a set A. Yes, it's present. Therefore, we will write as epsilon. If an element is absent in a set, then we write not epsilon and read it as does not belongs to. Is 8 is present in the set A? No, it is absent. Therefore, we will write as does not belongs to A. 0, look for 0 in the set A. 0 is absent. Therefore, we will write it doesn't belong to set A. 4, 4 is present in the set A. We will write as that 4 is belongs to set A. 2, 2 is also here present. Therefore, we will write it as 2 belongs to set A. 10, 10 doesn't belong to the set A. Therefore, we will write it as 10 doesn't belong to set A. Set can be represented in the two forms. One is a roster or tabular form, and another is a set builder form. So there are the few rules for the representation of the sets. So let's see the rules for roster or tabular forms. All elements are explicitly listed and they are separated by the commas and enclosed in a curly braces. So this is a roster form. They are enclosed in curly braces. Elements means 1, 2, 3, 4, and the element is separated by the 1, 2, 3, comma 4. Set builder forms. Elements defined by the common mathematical property and written as inside the curly braces all x, this colon means such that, read it as such that x has a property p, some characteristic property. For example, set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 5. So this is the set builder form. Important rule is in the roster form the order of the element does not matter and the elements are never repeated. Order of element means here we have written it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if we write it as 2, 3, 4, 1, means they are exactly same. So order of element doesn't matter. Elements are never repeated. Example, the set of letters forming the word school is S, C, H, O come for the two times. So we will write is only for one time. Therefore, the set is S, C, H, O only one time, L. Even if we change its order as H, O, L, C, S, even though the set doesn't changes, it remains the same as it is. So these two sets SCHOL and HOLCS are the same. Write the sets in a roster form. A is a set of all x such that x is an integer and x is greater than or equal to minus 3 less than 7. So what is the condition? X is an integer. Integer means minus infinity, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 up to the infinity. And the second condition is that x is greater than or equal to minus 3 but strictly less than 7. So draw the number line from minus 3 to minus 7. So we will include the integers minus 3 because equal to minus 3. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Do not include 7 because it is less than 7. So the set is A is equal to A is a set of minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X is a natural number less than 6. Recall that natural numbers start from the 1 and goes to the infinity. Numbers less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our set is B is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. C is a set of all x such that x is a two-digit natural numbers such that sum of the its digit is 8. Understand the condition first. X must be two-digit natural numbers. That means it ranging from 10 to 99. And another condition is sum of its digit is 8. If the number is written as AB, where A is a 10-digit place and B is at 1 digit, then A plus B is equal to 8. So let's find it systematically. Let's test the 10 digits A from A to A. Assume that if A is equal to 1 and substitute A in A plus B is equal to 8, then 1 plus B is equal to 8. So B become 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So A is 1 and B is 7. Therefore the natural number is 70. Assume if A is equal to 2, substitute A in A plus B is equal to 8. So 2 plus B is equal to 8. B is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore the natural number is A is 2 and B is 6. Therefore the natural number is 26. If A is equal to 3 and substitute it in equation A plus B is equal to 8, then 3 plus B is equal to 8, then B is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore the natural number is A is 3, B is 5, therefore natural number is 35. If A is equal to 4 and substitute A in A plus B is equal to 8, then 4 plus B is equal to 8, B is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Therefore the natural number is A 4, B 4. Therefore the natural number is 44. If A is equal to 5 and substitute A in A plus B is equal to 8, then B is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Therefore A is 5, B is 3, natural number is 53. If A is 6, then 6 plus B is equal to 8, B is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Natural number is A 6, B 2, natural number is 62. If A is 7, then 7 plus B is equal to 8, B is equal to 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, A 7, B 1, natural number is 71. If A is 8, then 8 plus B is equal to 8, then B is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, the natural number is 80. Note that 08 is a single digit number, but we want a two digit number. Therefore, we will start at 17 and end at 80. Therefore, final roster form, collect all the numbers. That means 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. So here is our Final roster form C is a set of 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. D is a set of all x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So the condition is that x must be divisor of 60. Numbers that divide the 60 perfectly without leaving any remainders are called as a divisor of the 60. And another condition is that x must be a prime numbers. Prime number means numbers that have only two factors, 1 and themselves. 1 is neither a prime number and composite number. So 60 is equal to 2 into 30. 30 means 2 into 15 and 15 means 3 into 5. So our roster form is 2, 3, 5. Note that even though the 2 comes here for 2 times, we will write only 1 time because in set do not repeat element. Fifth, E, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. List all letters appearing in the word T, R, I, G, O, N, O, M, E, T, R, Y. What is the rule? The rule is that do not repeat any element in the set. So T appear for 2 times, R appear for 2 times, O appear for 2 times. So cancel the repeat letters. So we will cancel O, T and R. So our roster forms will be T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. 6. F is the set of all letters in the word better. List all the letters appearing in the word better. So B, E, T, T, E, R. The rules state that do not repeat any element in the set. So cancel the repeat word. Here E appear 2 times, T appear 2 times. So we will cancel one T and one E. So our final roster form contain B, E, T, R. Write the following sets in the set builder form: 3, 6, 9, 12. Let's look closely at the numbers. 3 into 1 is a 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. All these elements are multiple of 3. All these elements are multiple of 3. We can express any element x as x is equal to 3n. So this is our x. 3, 6, 9, 12 are the x, and 3 n. N means 1, 2, 3, 4. The value of the n start from 1 and stop exactly at 4. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 are natural numbers such that n is greater than or equal to 1 and n is less than or equal to 4. So the set builder form contains set of all x such that x is equal to 3n. Our formula x is equal to 3n. This comma means where where n belongs to natural number and n is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 4. 2, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Observe the pattern. Here the 2 is power of 2. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 2 is 4. 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 2 raised to 5 is 32. So the formula is 2 raised to n, where x is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 2 is here and n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the condition n takes the value from 1 to 5 and these 1 to 5 are natural numbers. Therefore our answer is set of all x such that x is equal to 2 raised to n formula, where n is a natural numbers and n is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 5. 3. Set of 5, 25, 125, 625. So try to observe the pattern. So these are the powers of 5. 5 raised to 1 is 5, 5 raised to 2 is 25, 5 raised to 3 is 125, 5 raised to 4 is 625. Therefore, the formula is x is equal to 5 raised to n, where x means 5, 25, 125, 625 and n means 1, 2, 3, 5. So the answer is set of all x such that, write the formula first, x is equal to 5 raised to n, where n is equal to, n belongs to natural number and n is greater than or equal to 1 and less than equal to 4. 4, 2, 4, 6. Try to find out the pattern. These are even natural numbers and these 3 dot means the list continue to infinity. So answer is set of all x such that x is an even natural numbers. 1, 4, 9 up to 100. Try to find out the pattern. These are all are the squares of natural numbers. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, up to 10 square is 100. So the formula is x is equal to n square, where n x means 1, 2, 9 up to 100 and n means 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So these 1 to 10 are natural numbers. Therefore our answer is set of all x such that x is equal to n square. Write the formula first, where n belongs to natural number and n is greater than or equal to 1, less than equal to 10.